Oh my goodness, wow. Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing my limited edition chessboards. These will release July 1st in a limited edition of 12 chessboards only. Let's do the unboxing. Today we'll be using a kitchen knife.
And let me see what you have. No!
Wow. As said previously, these are in a limited edition of 12. This is board number 1. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the beautiful, wait, it goes like this. Beautiful chessboard. Oh my goodness, wow. I mean, I'm just looking at this thing for 2 minutes. As you can see, this is a multi-layered chessboard. Oh, look at that edge. Ooh, look at that. Wow, with a raised surface. Look at that surface. And these are 2.5 square inches by 2.5 square inches. Isn't that amazing? This is natural purple heartwood. These 12 boards were handmade in the United States of America. Let's test the playing surface. This is our third drop of chessboards. The last 2 drops in the past 2 years have gone wonderfully, selling out. So once these release, don't wait up because they'll go quick. This natural purple heartwood is from Brazil, and the natural maple as well is from the US of A. These are Brazilian rosewood pieces, which goes really well with the wood, but let's try also ebony, which goes terrifically with this board as well.